this car is insane. Yo. What up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have our boy hands-on detailing Caleb over to do a feature film on his brand new E92 M3. Welcome back to the channel. Everybody should definitely know who Caleb is. He's been on my channel a bunch of times. We went viral, got a couple watch videos that went crazy, and now he's detailing a bunch of other cars, you know, for Invasion that were from out of state. He's made a lot of friends through the BMW world. He's been killing the game. If you guys were at Invasion, you guys might have got your car detailed by him. But Caleb, welcome back to the channel. How you doing?
Man, always a pleasure, man. Always fun seeing the homies and being back on the YouTube channel.
#1 BMW detailer in Orlando.
#1 BMW channel.
Hell yeah.
No shade to anybody, of course.
Of course. And congrats on the new shop. You've been killing it.
Appreciate that.
Tell the people about this car. How long have you had it? And huge congrats. And I'm super happy to feature it on the channel today.
Thank you, man. I remember like when the car got ceramic coated, I was saying E36 is next, but
yeah,
I had a crazy deal on this. So I'm like, dude, this is a way better car than E36 for what you get for the same price. So this is what I got, E92 M3.
Check it out. What year? What's the spec?
It's a 2009 non-competition. I got the base model package, the poverty spec, but I just got some competition wheels for it. But it's an 09 LCI.
Nice.
Black on black, jet black, not Jerez, but black interior as well.
He joined the Black M3 gang.
Yep.
How you like it?
Looks so good, but as a detailer, my OCD goes crazy. The minute it leaves the garage, it gets dirty, but it looks just so good, like when it's clean though.
Yeah. Oh man, it looks so good. You guys see it on camera right here. 1, black hides all. You guys know from my car. But 2, like this jet black paint obviously has no metallic flake in it, but it just looks so clean because it's just deep dark black. I don't know if it's gonna come through on camera, but you want to walk around your car and tell us what's done to it?
So it came with the base model wheels. That's the first thing I did to it, was just the competition wheels.
Nice.
Car had the carbon roof was all faded, and then the front clip had a whole bunch of rock chips in it, so I got those 2 redone. Besides that, she's mainly stock. I just got a GTS lip from Percy. Shout out Percy.
Hey.
But I haven't put it on yet.
Yeah.
Just waiting for some other stuff.
Yeah, GTS lip on the E90Xs because they look so good.
The GT4 lip is just a little bit too aggressive for me.
And dude, I've always wanted an E92. I think I'll add one to the garage one day. It was my dream car in high school, and now Caleb has one, so I might have to be driving it. You could take the F80. I'll take the E92. But yo, it looks so clean. Silver on black, you can't go wrong. And so what other plans do you have for the front end besides the front lip or anything else?
Emblem delete right now. I'm gonna do a full GTS kit on it, including the wing.
Yeah.
And then probably some AST coilovers.
Nice.
And then she'll be good from that. And then my buddy was telling me about an intake to have for these, the plenum. So I might do the plenum, and yeah, and maybe some seats for it, like some Sportsters or some Recaros down the line with a cage, but we're talking down the line.
Yeah, big plans, big plans. So you're saying this is on stock suspension right now?
Yeah, the stock suspension, no lowering springs, no nothing.
Looks good.
Yeah, exit sit's pretty low for.
It looks really good for, how it is. I want to show them the interior, the rear. We got some carbon fiber mirror caps I see here. Clean. But yeah, Caleb was telling me for his year of a car, an E9X, like his interior is really clean.
Yeah, you know, it's crazy that it's high mileage, the seats are good, and then the biggest thing for the E9X is
cup holders.
Sometimes they work.
Yeah.
So that's pretty good.
People always talk about is if the cup holders work or not.
I wanted a single hub dash, but I'll eventually probably swap that out. It's LCI, so it's not the worst one.
For people that don't know, is the single hump more looked after?
Like a shipper spec, like it removes the screen because it looks outdated. I mean, 2009 it looked good, but nowadays it doesn't look best. Yeah. So I'd rather have just this dash and have the radio where the AC system's at.
I feel you. That'd be sick. We got the cup holders, floor mats, Alcantara armrest. That looks nice. Carbon shifter. So this car is DCT.
Yeah, I will be doing the Alcantara on the wheel, shift boot, and then the brake boot.
Nice. That looks sick.
Alcantara.
Nice.
OEM Plus build.
OEM Plus. With the silver wheels, it looks OEM Plus, and it looks really clean. And then in the rear, we have what?
I'm gonna have some goodies for today. Let's see what we get to.
See what we get to.
Some extra wheels and tires.
Hey, check out his Instagram. Might be swinging it today. Might have a little bit of fun. What we got? Carbon fiber trunk spoiler.
This is OEM exhaust, just has the cats deleted and the resonators deleted.
Nice.
So it's pretty loud for what it is. So I eventually want to get like they call it Meistercraft exhaust or active exhaust eventually. And then diffuser back here.
It's gonna sound good.
That's pretty nice.
I'm excited to hear that. But yo, congrats on the new car. Man joined the M gang. He told me he would, and he's making dreams a reality. So huge shout out to Caleb. He's been working his ass off, which most of you guys know by now. And yeah, I'm happy for my boy. Love to see people level up. I said that in the first video that we ever did together, and man's living his dream now, and I couldn't be more happy for him. He's gonna have to black out his wheels though.
I don't know about that.
Now he told me I have to go back to silver. No, the silver looks so clean on his spec.
I'm hyped, man.
Yeah. All right, let's go for a little cruise, maybe a little sound test, and see what we get into.
I'm down. Let's do it.
Let's do it. That sounds nice. That sounds nice. That sounds nice. Nice little deep grumble. S65. All right, we are in the E92.
Yeah, you gotta let our rod bearings warm up a little bit, you know. Can't have that mess up.
Do you have plans for that, or is it already done?
It's already done. So
nice.
The car had $11,000 of maintenance done at PSI a year ago. So everything's done on the car.
That's huge.
At a trusted shop.
Like the big three or whatever they call it?
Rod bearings, actuators, bushings, brakes, like the whole 9 was done.
Fire. So you're chilling.
She should be good to go.
You can have some peace of mind while you're driving this around.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. This is actually my first time in an E92, let alone an E92 M3. And I've literally only seen it in like a bunch of the California YouTubers videos, like Finding Nick, Life with KG, but now we got
Life with Caleb.
Life with Caleb, yo, let's go. Wait, isn't that your YouTube? His YouTube channel is Life of Caleb.
I watched all the videos before, like buying the car and stuff.
Yeah.
So they were inspiration.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we gotta do that a couple times because that sounded insane. But yo, this shit picks up. What do you mean?
So like from like a 40 roll, it gets pretty good.
Dude, that is angry.
You don't get that torque hit with the turbos, but
yeah,
as a higher RPM goes, you feel a little bit of power.
But the way you timed it kind of feels like you had boost kicking in
it's just
the build up.
RPM.
Yeah.
The downshifts.
Dude, that was wild. Keep tearing up the neighborhoods. Here we go.
That first or second shift.
Yeah. Dude, I don't know what you're talking about. The E92 kind of feels quick. Yo, this thing gets up and it just sounds amazing, yo. The V8 just sounds crazy. Man, I might have to add a S65 to the garage one day, man.
I have to.
This is just pure driving joy and experience with the sound.
Car for sure.
Yeah, with the sound, it's just like insane. Now I see why like this car is so sought after. You know what I mean?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Hands on detailing. E92. People in my neighborhood are gonna hate BMWs after today.
Any power man,
yeah,
all day long.
Yeah. Damn, that sounds sick. And I know from the outside it definitely sounds crazy, right?
10 times. Especially when that window's down too.
Yo, I bet. Caleb just got a hands up from a VQ owner, so he's made it in life.
Of course, bro. That's why I strive. I wake up every morning to get that sound.
Infinity boys just approved you. Because the exhaust note sounds so freaking good. Alright, we're going windows down for this one. That's nice.
Very nice.
I don't know, man. It still feels torquey. It doesn't like punch you in your fucking stomach, but it's still like,
yeah.
You know, it's nice. Man's got it. Man's certified.
Guys, I just need the clutch. I need the clutch dump.
You need the clutch? Yeah, oh, the clutch dump would be crazy right off the rip.
I think they make tunes where you can put a clutch in here and it'll disengage it and then you can like clutch kick it. You see Adam LZ's videos?
Yeah.
They have it for like the Supra and stuff, so I'm sure they have it for him.
Yeah, we're getting into some shenanigans today. My neighborhood's gonna put a distress signal out for E92 drifting around Waterford.
Yeah, 5-star.
Yeah, 5-star GTA, bro. Helicopters are coming.
The tanks are pulling up.
Yeah.
We're surrounded, bro.
Yo, you got it though. Now I definitely want one.
It sound good?
It sounded fire, bro.
Sweet.
It sounded sick.
You see my you see my
Yeah, I see you see the Levins right there? Man, put on the yellow. Everybody in the neighborhood is gonna be mad about that one.
I can't come back here anymore, bro. Foot in the brake. Block is hot now.
Yeah. Block is up for sure. Getting rowdy in this video, boys. So is this car stock headers?
Yeah, stock everything. Stock like headers and everything.
Yeah.
They say when you add headers, it kind of messes with the power band a little bit. But
Yeah. You think you're gonna do headers on your car?
not for $4,000.
Jeez. That's like the cheapest
I
one?
think like the American racing ones are like 28 or like 35 or something like that. But,
Jeez.
but for like 20 horsepower difference,
Yeah.
I don't know.
But you obviously get a lot more sound from them, or what?
Not a crazy amount.
Not a crazy amount? Like
Especially if you're like not catless.
Yeah.
If you're catless, it's nothing like crazy. You get like a different sound because they're built different.
Yeah. I couldn't imagine this car with the aftermarket exhaust. Like already with just the X-Pipe delete, like it sounds mental from the outside. It even sounds really good in the inside as well. I kind of want an E92 now.
Channel car coming soon.
New channel car coming soon, maybe one day, bro. All right, to wrap up this video, Caleb is going to be driving my car to an undisclosed location again. Into Mexico. And then I'm going to be driving the E92 for the first time ever, my first E9X, so let's see how it goes. Crazy to see somebody else driving your car, but damn, she look good. Gee! All right. Jeez, this car sounds sick. Got the F80 in the background, yellow DRLs. Yo, this car is insane. Yo. Jesus. Yo, I need one. I need one, dude. Yeah, I heard that shit. I didn't know you shot flames, bro. Yo.
It's about the driver, you know?
Dude, every downshift just brought a huge smile to my face. It's just different. It's a different experience than the F80, you know what I mean? But
Your shifters, bro.
oh, you feeling?
So bad.
You need them? I'll find a way. But dude, the driving experience on this is just insane.
Like it?
Yeah, I might have to cop one for sure. All right, Caleb. Yo, that was mad fun. I think the viewers will have a great time watching that as well. There's never a dull moment when your boy F80 Ho and Hands On Detailing get together, yo.
You gotta have the headphones in for this one.
Yeah. This man knows how to swing it, that's for sure. And he definitely knows how to drive. So congrats again. Things of beauty. I know you're gonna do her up right. You're gonna add some nice aero, maybe some exhaust stuff down the road, maybe some wheel stuff down the road.
Another video in a year and it's gonna look like completely
Yeah.
different.
Check him out at Invasion next year.
Yep.
Thank you for coming over. Always a pleasure. Make sure you guys follow him. Where can they follow you and find you?
My car page is HODM3 and then my detailing page is hands_on_detailing FL.
I'll put everything on the screen now, and then I'll put it in the description below. Again, if you guys don't know who he is, you guys are living under a rock, because he's been in all of my videos and he's been in a couple other YouTubers' videos as well. And if you're in the Central Florida area, hit him up for detailing, ceramic coating, PPF now, new offering. Tell him about that.
Just start offering PPF and tint, and then you get complimentary ride-alongs.
Complimentary ride.
With any detail purchase.
That's the best part right there. That's the huge selling part right there. But all right, Caleb, thank you. We'll definitely link up soon at the shop or do something, you know, with you. So make sure you guys follow him. And yeah, we'll wrap this one up. Wow.